Hi, second graders. For Reader's Workshop this morning, you're going to practice the work that we did in class yesterday. I'd like you to watch the video one more time and review the clues that you need to look for to help you find the main idea of your reading. Yesterday, we did the Scholastic News called Nonstop Lightning. And remember, the three clues were to read the title, study the pictures and what you see, and look for some repeated words in the book or the article that will help you know what the main idea is. So yesterday, when we studied this article, one of the things we said was the title said nonstop lightning. And we thought about what that word nonstop meant. And we thought, nonstop means it's going to happen a lot. So we took that note in our head thinking about that title, how it must be about lightning that happens a lot. When we studied the pictures, we noticed there was lightning and clouds, and we noticed water. And even when we looked on the inside of the article, we spotted some of the same things: lightning, water, more clouds. So we took some notes about those things we saw in the pictures. And the last thing we did was look through the article to see if there was any repeated words. And you can see here's Mrs. Gildner's copy. I noticed that word lake was repeating over and over again. So I even circled it in my article. Now that's because we each had our own copy yesterday. Today you're reading a magazine, so you can't go through and circle it, but you can take notes on the paper that I gave you and record what words repeat in your reading. And then the last thing we did, so if I look at my recording paper, just like the one you have for at home, I recorded my title, Nonstop Lightning. I listed some of the things I saw in the pictures: lightning, water, and clouds. And then we listed some of those repeating words: lightning, flashes, lake, and earth. And what we decided, second graders, what was the main idea, what we thought it was going to be before we even read it? It was going to be mostly about lightning at a lake. And then we read the article and discovered we were right. It was all about lightning at Lake. Let me see if I can say it the right way. Maracaibo in Venezuela, which is another country. So today, second graders, you are going to use that recording paper just like we did in class yesterday. But you're going to do it for the article that I gave you in the magazine. Now, if you did not get a magazine from me, you can choose a different Scholastic News article. I'd like you to go through, record the title of your article, study the pictures and note anything that you see in those pictures. And then I'd like you to look through that article and see if any words repeat. Remember, we said we're not going to record words like to and the because those are not vocabulary words that will help us. We want to record vocabulary words that will help us with our reading and understanding the main idea. And then at the very bottom of your paper, before you even read, I want you to write what you think that article is going to be all about. And then go ahead and read it, and you can give yourself a check or a smiley face next to it if you get it correct. So for us today, we said it was going to be lightning at a lake, and we got it. So if on my paper, I check after I read it, a smiley face that we had it. You know, if you find, second graders, that your main idea was close, but once you read it, you feel like it was about something extra, you can always add it onto your paper. And then you're going to return that paper and the magazine that you borrowed to school on Thursday. Have a great day. After you finish that reading, one more thing. If you finish your reading and main idea paragraph, and you still have your main idea recording paper, and you still have some time left, do some reading on your own from Epic or Scholastic News, or even from your library of books at home. Don't forget to record your reading for Readathon.